Conversation is the antidote to isolation.
You are healing your pain with pen.
Why? I am the one always getting into the wrong relation. Man who has been raised by a queen will definitely treat his wife as a queen. Even in the award functions, you must have seen he's carrying the pallu of the heroine. Why?
हेलो एवरीवन, आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते एंड आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग वेल. Today I'm very happy to introduce my guest on the eve of Women's Day. She is very special one, Dr. Aninda Sidhana. She is a renowned mental health professional and is currently serving as assistant professor at SS Dantia Medical College and Research Center. Dr. Aninda Sidhana has dedicated her efforts for the advancement of the well-being of women's mental health. She holds MD in psychiatry and a fellowship in psychosexual medicine. She focuses on women's mental health issues including sexual problems which often remains unspoken. Recognized for her contribution, Dr. Aninda has received the Women of Substance Award and Women Resilience Award in 2024 by the Indian Psychiatry Society. Today, I am feeling deeply honored and privileged talking to her on the eve of Women's Day. Dr. Aninda Sidhana is my guest tonight.
Hi, Aninda. Welcome to Thoughtful
Yes.
Conversations. And before we start, let me wish you a very happy Women's Day, which is this when this program will be aired, it is going to be on Women's Day or a day before. So, any thoughts for this Women's Day, first of all?
So for this Women's Day, my main message is it's about gender equality, gender mutuality, and we
Okay.
all should work together for women empowerment and treat each other as equal and respect each other's rights. So that
Okay.
is, and every day is a Women's Day, and every day is a Men's Day. Anyways.
So elaborate on that about the gender mutuality that you have been talking for a while.
So yeah, about the gender equality, I heard a poem by Divya Datta. It's like
Okay.
very nice poem. It's like what women want, like gender equality में.
Yeah.
तुमने कहा था हम एक ही तो हैं,
Oh,
अपने
wow.
बराबर कर दो नाम.
Uh-huh.
नैपी जब मैं बदलती हूँ तो दूध की बोतल भर दो ना. बस यूं ही एक है करके जिंदगी चलती रहेगी. तुम भी कभी सर दबा दो मेरा, ये कमियां खलती हैं. जब मैं ऑफिस जाती हूँ तुम भी घर को सवार दो ना.
Oh my
तुमने
God.
कहा था हम एक ही हैं, तो अपने बराबर कर दो ना. तुम भी मकान को घर बना दो ना.
So, like, it's for both of them, both they are talking about this.
Yes,
This is
it
a
should be shared
beautiful, beautiful.
responsibility.
It's all about shared responsibility. So, I'll start this conversation with a poem written only by you. And if you allow me to read that, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope I do justice to what you have written. Okay, Behencourt Blues, a tribe of unstoppable women. So, in the land of wine and pizza nights, where laughter flows and secrets take flight, there is a tribe of Behens, strong and true, living by the code, just waiting for you. So, don't judge. Be present, keep secrets. I'm not reading the whole because of the
Yeah.
copyright issues. So, laugh together, travel together, support each other, no drama, no stress. Behen code, we live by this, we confess. So, cheers to the Behens and the code we adore. May our bond grow stronger forevermore. So, while I will be reading, I'll be flashing this poetry of yours on the screen so that
Yeah.
the viewer
Okay.
gets the
So
taste of the
uh,
whole thing. So, what is Behen code all about, and how do you find conversation? do you think conversation in a particular relationship or conversation is that important in, one's life? You must
So
have female friends or something like that, right?
yes, so definitely this Behan code is not just a poem; it's a
Mhm.
lifeline. It's
Mhm.
the biggest support system I have had. It's about my sister, my mother, and most important, my best friends, the female friendships which I have had in my lifetime.
Mhm.
And I already told, like, I always thank Shweta and Ishita to be with me through thick and thin,
Mhm.
whether it's hell, heaven, whatever it is.
Mhm.
So it's a lifeline, and it's about the unbreakable bond between us, like between the women, that is sister, friend, mother, anyone who supports you unconditionally, who doesn't judge you. And it's about creating a safe space where you can talk about anything and you can be vulnerable and emotional, and
Okay.
you don't have any fear of being judged. So that is one thing. And yeah, recently I also want to credit a friend of mine. Very recently I met a friend through LinkedIn only. You won't believe, but it's like the part of my behind. God, it's like she is like a human diary. I feel like my therapy session. I
Okay.
tell her like the moment I talk to you for half an hour, it's like a therapy I get conversing with you.
Okay. So
It's
you
like a
have,
human medicine.
so you
Yeah.
have, oh wow.
I
So
am
your
really
friends.
grateful to, first of all, Shweta Raina, Ishita Anand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like Behan
Shweta,
code.
Ishita, and now
Okay.
Shibani recently. So these people, I'm very grateful. Then my cousin Ruchi and my sister Iti, she is there. So
So Behan code is all
that is
about friends and
definitely.
also someone in your, family also, be it your cousins, sisters, and even to some extent, in-laws are
Yes,
also part of it.
definitely.
And even brother, sister also, they form the part of this Behan code and all that. So
Yes,
this
they
is
can. It's
very
like this your
important.
social support system.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
this is
our
very.
strength and the courage.
So conversing is one of the strongest strength in anybody's relationship, and plus it's a support system or lifeline of a human or a mankind, right? And what are the next
Yes,
things
definitely.
like? And also you had mentioned about journaling also, like you are healing your pain with pen. So you are writing and journaling.
Yes.
It's a part of
So
coping mechanism if one is going through a very tough or
yes, it's a
toxic
part of
relationship.
my healing mechanism. So
Yeah,
I will tell like both the things. Conversation is the antidote to isolation.
yeah.
And also it is the dialogue that in which we process our emotions, seek strength, seek healing, break the silence, get courage. And if we are not able to converse about few things, we can journal them.
Mhm.
That is a powerful catharsis which helps you and which can help you write down each and every emotion, how it got triggered and how it got cooled down and how you healed. So it is a part of my healing mechanism, and even in therapy sessions I give it as a homework.
Okay.
So you can identify,
Okay.
yeah, in
Yeah.
journaling you can also identify your own thought patterns, where
Oh.
you are being blocked and where you are actually repeatedly repeating the patterns.
You can check for
Wrong
yourself.
thinking, yeah,
Hmm.
you can identify that. Because like once I
Hmm.
even questioned myself why I am the one always getting into the wrong relation. Maybe like you must have read my article Red Flag Magnet, which
Yes.
like I
Huh.
say, say you are chasing the chasing
Red
bulls,
flags.
bulls
Yeah.
chase
Yeah.
red flags. Then what am I
Okay.
doing with my life? So
Uh-huh.
sometimes journaling helps me clarify my mind where I was wrong, or maybe why I became so vulnerable and put into it. It helps people identify their own negative patterns of thinking, so
Even
they stop
yeah.
it.
Even the life coaches generally they ask their clients to write about their feelings, be it positive or negative.
Yeah,
And whatever you're
definitely.
feeling, you must acknowledge them as well. And then if you're feeling wrong, write it down, just tear it off. Have you seen the movie Jab We Met? Like there is
Yes, definitely. That is my favorite movie.
that applies for all.
Anyways, and once upon a time, I was myself like Geet, the most cheerful person. So that was my
So
younger
this is
version.
very important to write, and also like paying gratitude to everyone, the good things in life, like that any situation or things that make you stronger, like journaling you
Yeah.
have said,
So
and also like
gratitude is one thing I believe.
yes. It helps you calm down to some extent and see some positivity in life when everything goes negative. You just see the sunshine or some kind of
Yes.
shining thing in your life. And also, like moving ahead, I just would want to talk about not only women's mental health, men's mental health is also equally important. What is your take on that? Like citing the
Yes.
examples of recent, married men committing suicide and taking these, harsh steps. So, what is your take on
So,
that, and how we should
men's
be?
mental health is definitely very important thing. Okay, anyways, everybody's mental health is important. Mental health is not a luxury, it's a right, it's a
Right.
priority,
Yeah.
first of all. Yeah. And men suffer too in silence. And
Because of
so
the
men's men,
repression, yeah. You just
yeah,
talked
because
about,
they
you
are
had talked
told
about the.
मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, बात नहीं करनी, रोने से तुम कमजोर हो जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं है.
Hmm,
Vulnerability is strength.
right. So, the front.
So
Yeah.
definitely, being vulnerable is not a weakness; it's a strength. A man definitely he will become vulnerable only to the woman he is very comfortable with. So that's the strength of a relationship
And
and
that
the
is
beauty of
again,
a relationship.
that reminds me of you saying that mothers play a very important role in the life of a man. So, can you please
Yeah,
repeat that line that?
that I have already told. Like, first of all, a narcissist man or a
Yeah.
man who is abusive is
Mm-hmm.
definitely the example he has been raised in a bad family. And the
Hmm.
biggest enabler of the behavior of a man, abusive behavior, is a mother. She keeps on supporting ki galat nahi hai, nahi hai, nahi hai, and things become bad. And
Hmm.
I always say, a man who has been raised by a queen will definitely treat his wife as a queen. क्योंकि उसने देखा है. And anyways, Shah Rukh Khan has defined it, how to treat women.
Yes,
The
the
one thing I have
romantics of
always
our
impressed
times.
with it, like the humbleness he has. It's not only romanticity, the way he respects. Even in the award functions, you must have seen he's carrying the pallu of the heroine. Why he has to?
The sign of a
He
true
does
gentleman.
that, and
Yeah.
yes, he is definitely the sign of a true gentleman, and he has defined the respect and the feminine, what is a true respect for a woman. Then Farhan Akhtar, by standing for men against rape and discrimination. He is doing a lot of work, and recently he has started a challenge, Actify Challenge, for talking men to come together to take a pledge to treat women with respect. So, and once the Bollywood celebrities start talking, people are impressed. People will definitely
Yeah, the
come together.
eminent personalities who are, kind of an influence over the society, they must speak up. Like the movies like Animals that you have, while we were talking, you had cited that example of this movie Animal.
Yeah.
While I was talking about the movie Mrs., you said, "Why are you talking about Mrs.? Why aren't you talking about the movie Animal?" So this is like what you show,
Yes.
people get influenced by that, so it's responsibility of the creators also. And
Lately, media and Bollywood has a big influence
mm,
in everybody's life, especially Indians. Uh, for me, the Thappad movie dialogue आज तक मेरे दिमाग में गूंजता है. It has such an effect. So I believe storytelling is very powerful
very
tool.
important.
So that
Yeah.
is one of my dream to make a movie. How patriarchal Indian matrimonial system and how the marriage is the biggest gamble on this earth.
Yeah.
So, and
So
another thing is, Definitely, media. What you while talking about Atul Subhash case, I would like to tell it is the media reporting which is being false. They are actually hyping it up. So there are copycat suicides which are happening now. Earlier it was not there. अब इतना ज्यादा वो उसको hype कर रहे हैं अतुल सुभाष तो
Taking
copycat suicide
that
happens.
dire step, that step is itself a very a thing, like not everyone can get influenced by that. Like it's not the
Yes.
only thing that you are committing suicide. It's not easy to commit suicide for me, I guess.
Yeah,
i'm not
definitely.
I'm not going to just use, even if my finger gets cut, I see the blood, I get scared. So not everyone can take this step, but taking such step that ends one's life, is a very big decision. And that men's health, what they're suffering, he should have spoken after he has committed. He had written everything, that what he had gone through. Even if he would have
Yeah.
come earlier on the social media, things would have been better for him. So again, expressing your emotion, that is also very important.
So men should learn kindness is the being kind makes them king.
Hmm.
Not कि झुकेगा नहीं साला वो राजा बन जाएगा वो नहीं.
That
The
Pushpa
thing is
movie. Yeah.
humbleness is more important. Being humble, being kind, being respectful. That is a true definition of a man. Not being aggressive, not being strong कि मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता.
So in a
And this
talk, yeah.
definition has been very beautifully explained by Javed Akhtar and Farhan Akhtar in a poem, which few lines I would like to recite, but I
Yeah,
would
please,
have to read
Ishad.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, Ishad.
I love that poem. It is on the men against rape and discrimination by them. So few lines I can tell. जिसकी आंखों में है जगमगाती हुई जैसी गहरी शराफत की रोशनी, जिसके अंदाज में एक तहजीब है, जिसके लहजे में एक नरमी है, जिसकी आवाज में एक नजाकत है, जिसके अल्फाज में एक शफाकत है, जिसकी सोच में एक इंसानियत है और जिसकी जिंदगी में एक सच्चाई है, ये है मर्द जो अपनी आंखों में एक रोशनी है, जो अपने अंदाज में ही एक तहजीब है, वो है मर्द असली.
Oh my God.
So
Beautiful.
it does not make you weak. It's about being humble, being emotional. So it's a very long poem and it has
Gentle.
been made in very different languages and it's lovely.
So, what are the coping mechanisms that you would say, apart from, conversing and journaling, if one is in a toxic relationship, what are the coping mechanisms and what are the red flags, and how do you identify that, oh, you are gotten into some manipulative relationship, and how to go about it?
Okay. So first of all, the red flag signs. Being a psychiatrist, I was like not able to identify, first of all, because people who are abusive and men, they are like, there is a quote also, charming abuser I have written.
Oh,
But later on, the mask falls off. A
yeah.
narcissist is a person, and a abuser is a person who will sell you the dream, the most romantic dream, most charming dream, but in the end, it will be a nightmare.
Oh.
And they are the most charming people in the room, most intelligent, but behind the closed doors, you don't know what's happening. So,
You
red
fall for
flag
them, and
signs
that's a
will be
trap.
the first of all, inconsistency, then social isolation. Inconsistency and mixed signals. Yeah, isolation is and confinement.
Mhm.
They try to isolate you from everybody. कि भाई मेरे से ही प्यार करो मेरे साथ रहो because you know so that your social support system
And
is
you
cut down.
feel that, oh, he's so possessive about me, and at first you
Yeah,
feel, oh, being loved and everything. Yeah, that's a trap.
yeah. For red flag signs, I will send you a full episode. Yeah.
Mhm.
For red flag sign, I will send you an episode. I have my friend has made it.
I'll just play
Uh,
it in the end of the
so
whole
you
thing.
can see that. Yeah.
So these are the early signs, and then how to get rid of that. And leaving home
Uh,
is not always the option, but speaking up is definitely there. And you need
so
some
seek
professional
help.
help also. Yeah. Professional.
There should not be any shame in seeking mental health professionals. They can help you identify the red flags. If not, at least they can help you identify the depression you are going in.
Yes,
You
right.
should not go into the depression. Your
Because
identity should not.
there is a stigma around, going to seeking a mental health professional. Like they feel shy to seek the mental, health help. So I think, how should they break all this, thing, and then they should
That
come
is
up
a
and
big
this is
session
something,
altogether.
a very complicated thing, and you are dealing in a complicated area, like you being a psychiatrist.
Stigma is a big thing. For stigma,
Yeah.
we can have like a talk for 2 hours. My thesis and research project was on stigma. For 3 years, I did that.
So you are into
So we
the
can talk about it later.
psychosexual medicine also. You are
Yeah,
specialized in that. So these are certain things that hold people back, like from seeking some
definitely.
help from the professionals. So how can then they help themselves? Like, they can write, they can converse, but always conversing is not that. Like, there
So
is some physical effect on them also. Exercise
mindfulness,
tasks.
grounding techniques, but definitely when seek a psychiatrist or a psychologist. And there are a lot of online platforms nowadays where you can seek help without telling your name also. तो
Okay.
स्टिग्मा की बात ही खत्म हो जाती है वहां पे.
Any helpline number?
और
Like, I will be
first
like
of all,
showing
number I don't remember. Telemanas is one thing, which is a government
telemarks.
initiative. Yeah,
Hmm.
which is a government initiative.
Okay. Hmm.
So it is for mental health. Everybody can connect with. You want psychologist, psychiatrist, anybody, you
Okay.
will get.
So,
That is a
so
big project by the government of India.
okay. So these are the
Yeah.
things that one can you help themselves with.
Difficult to identify the red flags. So that's why I'm telling you. You see that episode of my friend Shweta Raina,
I will
which has been
definitely see.
directed by Mahesh Kamath.
Okay.
She actually identified the red flag signs in both my marriages, but I didn't listen. So I was a fool, I feel.
No, no, it is just the experience that through which you will be showing path to many. So you just give some final advice to the viewers, or final
So,
messages to the viewers on the occasion of Women's Day, and from Aninda Sindhana, Dr. Aninda Sindhana, what she has to say to her tribe and to her behind and men also, to how to
yes,
take
of
care of
course.
their mental
I
health.
want to talk
And
to
also,
men
yeah,
today
also,
instead
you
of women.
wanted to read out some poetry. If you want to, the stage is
Yeah,
yours,
I
the
can.
platform is
If there's
yours.
a
Yeah.
time. Yeah. So, first of all, I would like to say it's very important for men to come and speak up about women empowerment because it's not about empowering them, it's about walking together
Okay.
to reach the mutual thing.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. Uh, if like I would you like to recite me the full or just a brief few lines?
Whatever you
Like
feel like, because it's your platform and it's your message. You have been doing amazing work for the benefit of such, people. So please.
message, first message I have that feminism डायरेक्शन ही गलत में चला गया है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट बीटिंग मेन कि भाई आदमी गलत है. फेमिनिज्म इज अबाउट supporting women, not even supporting, is celebrating women,
Yes, right.
treating them equal, है ना.
Hmm.
So it's
Hmm.
not about beating them. हम ये नहीं बोल रहे भाई लड़कों को मारो. It's like बस हम साथ चलते हैं ना.
It's all about, yeah,
So
साथ चलते, cooperation.
हाँ,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's not about a competition भाई तुम बड़े हो या मैं बड़ी हूँ.
Mutual
So
understanding. Yeah.
from I would like to talk few lines. Like I feel like telling a full poem only. Yeah.
Okay,
So
please.
it's like from equal strife to mutual life. We cried for lines for equal ground where man and woman could be found on level's path with equal might to claim our place and set things right. but lines were drawn and battles rage for every word on every stage. So now we shift from equal to mutual. So let's turn from you and me to us, which is a shared reality. No measures, no scales, just respect each other and equal scales.
Wow.
So, it's the shared reality. So let's get our hearts entwined, wise and cool, and seek each other, support and respect each other. So it's not equal, it's mutual.
Great. And that the poetry that I had shared yesterday with you, do you remember that? Have you read that? That
Yeah,
कैसी
I read
आजमी
that. Yeah,
औरत.
yeah.
It's so, रुत बदल डाल अगर फलना फूलना है तुझे उठ मेरी जान मेरे साथ ही चलना है तुझे. Both of us should move together for the benefit of the whole,
Yes,
mankind, I guess. Yeah.
definitely. Yeah.
So
Because even there are many works which I cannot do, which man can only do. And there are many things which a man cannot do, I can only do. But still, we have to strike a balance.
oh, yeah, yeah. So, with that, we have come to the end of the conversation, and I hope this this recording goes well with this. Like, this is the first time I'm doing
Yeah,
on a Zoom call, and I hope that you will be joining me soon again on different topics, as you have been
lovely. Yeah,
working
sure.
on different topics. So, very soon we'll
Yeah.
be
So,
meeting soon, and all the very best for your upcoming seminars and events. And
yeah,
happy
thank
Women's
you.
Day once again.
The Women's
Namaste.
Day. Okay, namaste. Thank you.
So that was the end of the conversation. I hope you liked our effort and understood the message behind the whole talk. That is, converse, speak up, break the silence. So if you liked our effort, please do like and subscribe to my channel and share among your friends. Till then, Shubh Ratri.